How to fix clock on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can fix your clock on your Android device. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to actually fix the clock issue on your Android, it could be happening due to a couple of reasons. Now let's say that you resetted your Android phone and then your time is just messed up. Maybe it's just saying 12, 25 and 13, 16, 14 like that, and maybe it's in the 24-hour, not in the 12-hour format, or maybe it's just simply incorrect. So how do you fix your clock in this case? In order to fix our clock, just make sure first of all to connect to the internet, and then even if you're not connected, you can just open up settings. Once you open up settings, what you want to do is simply look for the option called general management over here, as you can see. So just tap on general management. So basically when you tap on general management, under all these options you should be able to find the date and time option. Just tap on date and time, and the one thing I'd recommend you to fix is, without doing anything, just turn on automatic date and time and then turn on automatic time zone, because in most of the cases what happens is that your date is definitely incorrect, as well as your time zone is also incorrect if you don't know where you're currently living in exact region, such as GMT, US Pacific and other time sets. Just turn on automatic time and just turn on automatic date and time zone as well. Now if you want to use a 24-hour format, which will tell you 1627 as you can see, but if I turn this off it will just tell me 427, and I personally don't want to see 1617 on my screen. I just want to leave it to the 12-hour format, so I'll just turn this off. So basically that's it on how you can actually fix your clock on Android. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.